If you face Airtel mobile internet no signal and landline internet problem in India, let's see the solution. Step 1. Turn on your aeroplane mode and again turn off aeroplane mode. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Click on connection and sharing. Scroll down. Click on Wi-Fi and mobile network. Click on reset Wi-Fi and mobile network. Step 3. Power off your phone and again insert your Airtel SIM. Step 4. Call 121 Airtel customer service or use Airtel Thanks app to register your complaint.